Hello, and welcome to Learn Fluent English Easily. Please subscribe and turn on notifications so that you are notified when new English classes are available. Today's English lesson is color vocabulary. Red, red. Blue, blue. Yellow, yellow. Green, green. Pink, pink. Orange, orange. Purple, purple. Black, black. White, white. Gray, gray. Brown, brown. I can see. I can see. I can see. I can see red. I can see red. I can see blue. I can see blue. I can see yellow. I can see yellow. I can see green. I can see green. I can see pink. I can see pink. I can see purple. I can see purple. I can see orange. I can see orange. I can see black. I can see black. I can see white. I can see white. I can see gray. I can see gray. I can see brown. I can see brown. It's a red apple. It's a red apple. It's a blue blueberry. It's a blue blueberry. It's a yellow lemon. It's a yellow lemon. It's a green kiwi. It's a green kiwi. It's a pink grapefruit. It's a pink grapefruit. It's a purple plum. It's a purple plum. It's an orange orange. It's an orange orange. It's a black olive. It's a black olive. It's a white coconut. It's a white coconut. It's a gray mushroom. It's a gray mushroom. It's a brown date. It's a brown date. Thank you for watching Learn Fluent English Easily. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you are notified when new videos go live.